Hello friends, welcome back to Asha's Fact. Today I'm going to show you how to solve a 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. It is very easy to solve this. If you want to solve a 2 by 2 Rubik's Cube, my sister had already shown a video on it. I'll give the link of the video in the description. So let's move to the video. So before learning how to solve a 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube, we need to know some of the basics. Like there are 6 faces for a cube: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 8 corners: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there are 12 edges for a cube: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So while we solve a cube, we have to see three things. The first thing is the middle piece. The center of all these cubes are called the middle piece. Whatever you do, the middle piece is not going to change. Next, the corner pieces. The corner pieces will be over here in both on the whole cube. These corner pieces will be over here. The edge pieces are these, like this. Even these will move in different places. So the edge pieces have two colors, like here I got an edge piece, this is red blue. Here another edge piece, red white, and like there are many colors. Now the corner piece has three colors. Here one corner piece is there, red, blue, white. Here one more, red, green, white. There are many other corner pieces. The color combinations for a cube are: the opposite color of red will be orange, yellow will be white, and green will be blue. This is constant for all cube because the center pieces are not going to move here and there, so the colors are not going to change. Now I have shuffled the cube very well. Now we will start solving the cube. For solving, first we need to make a white cross here. So for first making the white cross, we need to find edge pieces. So here we need white and blue edge piece which aligns these two properly for making a cross. So we need to find where is white and blue edge piece. For me, white and blue edge piece is over here, and I need to bring the piece over here. So my piece is here, so I need to do like this. My piece was over here, I need to do this and bring it up. I'll show it again. My piece was like this, so I need to do this like this and bring it up. Now these two are aligned like this. In the same format we need to make cross with aligning all the edge pieces. Now let's find white and orange edge piece. For me, white and orange edge piece is over here. This is the white and orange edge piece, and I need to bring it over here. So for doing this, we have to bring this first down. First bring it down. Now the piece was here. Now bring it down. It came over here. Now bring it like this. Bring it like this. But if we bring it here, this is not going to get aligned because this is over here orange, this is white. So we just need to bring it once, like this once. Now it was over here, so just bring it once. Now bring it up like this and align it over here. Now two pieces got aligned. Now we have to find white and green piece. For me, white and green edge piece is right here, and I need to bring it over here. So for doing this, first we have to do this. Now nothing has happened to these two. Now if after doing this, just bring it up like the last case. Bring it up, then do this. Three edge pieces are aligned. Now let's find the last piece, that is white and red. The white and red piece is over here, and I need to bring it here. This is a easy case because let's bring it first. We don't need to do this like the last case, because if we do this is not going to get aligned. So from here, instead of doing this, we have to bring it again over here. Then we have to bring it like this. So all the pieces are aligned now. We have completed the cross. We have completed the cross over here. For solving the cross, there is no such formulas. We just need to use basic logical thinking. Now let's go for the corner pieces to complete our first layer. So for completing the first layer, we need to find corner pieces. For me, first one is already done. See how does it look. We have to align white, blue and red. As I told, a corner piece has three colors, so we have to align all three together over here. So for me already one was done. Now let's go for the second piece. Second piece is white. We have to find a corner piece of white, orange and blue. White, orange, blue pieces here. I have to just bring it here. I can't twist it. So for this easy formula is there. It's very easy to remember. It is right invert, down invert, right, down, right invert, down invert, right, down. See, we have bought it over here. Now let's go for the next corner piece. The next corner piece is white, green and orange. The white, green, orange piece is over here. So for doing this, first we have to bring it down. We had to bring it over here, so I brought it straight down. Now we have to do the same formula: right invert, down invert, right, down. We have to do it some 3 to 4 times till it comes. Right invert, down invert, right, down. 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 See, we have got the white, orange and green corner piece. Now let's go for the last corner piece: white, green and red. So white, green, red, orange corner piece, it's over here. So what we have to do, bring it down, straight down from where we have to keep it. Now do the same formula: right invert, down invert, right, down. Right invert, down invert, right, down. Right invert, down invert, right, down. See, we have completed our first layer. All the pieces are aligned. So we have completed the first layer. Now we have completed the first layer. Now we have to go for the second layer. For that we have to start filling the edges into these gaps. So for filling the edges, first we have to get the edge piece. We'll check for the red and green piece. The red and green piece is over here. So for bringing it here, first we have to align it with red or green. So first green has come here, so we have to align it with green. Next we have to check whether the piece is going to the right or to the left. As red is at the top, it has to go like this, so it is moving to the left. But if we do like this, the base that we had done will get damaged. So for doing this, we have a formula, that is up invert, left invert, up, left, up, front, up invert, front invert. See, we have got our first edge piece over here. In the same manner, we have to find the second edge piece. So we got our second piece over here like this. It has got aligned, and this one has orange at the top, so this will be going over here. So we have to do another formula. This one is for the edge piece that goes to the right. The formula for that is up, right, up invert, right invert, up invert, front invert, up, front. See, we got this piece over here. Now next, let's go to the next one. So we'll go with blue and orange edge piece. The blue and orange edge piece is over here. To do this, what should we do? We have to bring the blue over here so that we get it aligned. Then we have to check whether it's going to the right or left. As orange is at the top, orange is left to the blue, so we have to bring it here. So now we have to do the formula for moving the HPs to the left. The formula is up invert, left invert, up, left, up, front, up invert, front invert. See, we got the piece over here. Now we have to find the last HPs, that is red, blue. So the red and blue HPs is over here. What should we do? We have to bring it over here, align it over like this. Now over here it is already done, so we have to do the formula for left because only this one is left. So we have to do up invert, left invert, up, left, up, front, up invert, front invert. So we have completed this HPs. With this we completed our second layer. There will be some special cases when the HPs will get twisted like this. Here you can see that here the middle piece is orange, here it is green, but when we see the HPs, it is twisted because here green came and here it came like orange. So for removing this HPs and bringing it up, we can do any of the formulas. That is, we can do the formula for right or left, and we can bring this up. I'll do the formula for right, up, right, up invert, right invert, up invert, front invert, up, front. See, we removed the piece and now the piece is over here. Now we have to align it over here. Now we bought it here, we aligned it. Now we have to do the formula for right like this, because we have to bring it over here. Now for the right, up invert, right invert, up invert, front invert, up, front. See, we completed it. After solving the first two layers, the cube will be looking like this. Now I'm stopping the video here so that you will be getting more time to practice with the method that I have given you. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to solve the third layer. If you feel the video is very interesting, you can comment for different kinds of patterns on the cube, as well as different advanced method by which you can solve the cube very fast. If you want the video in Malayalam, you can comment below so that I'll show the video in Malayalam. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye.